Okay, so this is the deal. I keep hearing about all these bomb videos, but I don't really understand what it is. So I come to the social cam. And on the social cam, I find Mr. Scully Rose. What the crazy name is this? Scully Rose. I don't like this name. But I see the video of the bomb. Oh my goodness. It makes me laugh so crazy. Look at me. My eyes are glowing with enthusiasm. I want to be part of this bomb crew. I want to make my own bomb video. So, I want to be the first crazy faced pooch to make a bomb video. So, here we go. Look into my eyes. Keep looking into my eyes. Staring into your face. This is a puppy crazy stare bomb. Okay, goodbye. Oh.